that today's class we are discussing the special methods for the preparation of ketones. In the last class we have discussed two special methods. In that first one, that is from acyl halides or acyl chlorides, by reacting with the dialkyl cadmium it will use the ketones. And the second one is from the nitriles. Those nitriles are also known as cyanohydrocarbons. The cyanohydrocarbons react with a Grignard reagent. It will use the addition product. That addition product on hydrolysis, it will use the ketones as the main product. Okay. This much about, and we have discussed in the last class. In the today's class, the third method, that is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Acylation means and substitution of an acyl group is known as an acylation. It is acyl group is an R, that is acyl group is RC double bond O. This is an acyl group. IUPAC name is an alkanoid. In the place of an R group, we can substitute CS3 C double bond O. Then this compound is known as, there are two carbon atoms, therefore add saturated, and it is known as ethanoid. And the next one, CS3 CH2 C double bond O. In this compound, there are three carbon atoms in the parent shell, therefore it is known as an propanoid. That is propanyl compound. HC double bond O. In this, only one carbon atoms are present in the parent shell, therefore it is known as an methanoid. Then let us discuss the preparation of an ketones with the help of Friedel-Crafts acylation. That is, acylation is an R group C double bond O. Then X, that is acyl halide. In this acyl group with the R group, we can take any of the examples. And when this acyl group react with an benzene, that is acyl halides react with an benzene in the presence of an anhydrous aluminum chloride, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3, in the place of AlCl3 we can take any halogen carrier like FeCl3, and it will use the compound and ketone. It will use the compound, that is ketone C double bond O R dash, that is R plus and hydrogen halide. And this is about the preparation, general representation of an ketones. Preparation of an ketones. In that, we can take the example CS3 C double bond O. That is X. In the place of X, we can take Cl, that is chloride. This compound is known as acyl chloride, and IUPAC name is ethanoyl chloride. When this ethanoyl chloride react with the benzene in the presence of an anhydrous, in the presence of anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3, it will use the compound and ketone. That ketone is known as an acetophenone. Generally, this compound is known as an acetophenone, and the IUPAC name is, that is 1-phenyl or phenyl ethanol. The IUPAC name is phenyl ethanol, and the general name is an acetophenone. This is about the Friedel-Crafts acylation for the preparation of and ketones. Here, the anhydrous AlCl3 or FeCl3 are an Lewis acid because these contain an deficient of electrons. Because of this reason, the AlCl3 or FeCl3 are also known as an Lewis acid. The next topic is the physical properties of and aldehydes and ketones. Physical properties of aldehydes and ketones. During the study of physical properties of any compound, we will see mainly 3 points. First one, and physical state of that compound. The first one is and physical state, and the second one is BP and MP, that is boiling point and melting point, and the third one is and solubility of that compounds. Whenever we are studying the physical properties, we will study the main 3 topics. Those are physical state of any compound and boiling point, melting point, and the third one is solubility. Then let us see physical state of these aldehydes and ketones. The first member of an aldehyde, that is methanol, it is also known as formaldehyde, that is HCOOH. This compound is an gaseous in nature, that is physical state is and gaseous. And the next member, that is ethanol, propanol, and another one, that is ketone, acetone, that is acetone is the general name and alkyl name is propanol. These are an liquid in nature. This is about the physical state of an aldehydes and ketones. The second topic, it is boiling point and melting point. The boiling point, the aldehydes and ketones will have, that is aldehydes or ketones will have greater boiling point compared to the corresponding, that is compared to the corresponding and hydrocarbons. Compared to the corresponding hydrocarbons. This means, let us consider an example. It is CS3 CH2 C double bond OH. It is an SC, that is aldehyde propanoldehyde. In this, the molecular mass of this aldehyde is a number of carbon atoms are 3, that is 12 into 3 plus number of hydrogen 6, that is, and oxygen molecular weight of oxygen, atomic weight of oxygen is 16, and total mass of a molecule is 58. Consider the corresponding molecules of an hydrocarbon, that is CS3 CH2 CH2 CH3. This compound is butane. The butane also have the molecular mass is 58. When we compare the corresponding mass molecules of hydrocarbons and aldehydes or ketones, then the that is boiling point of an aldehydes or ketones will be greater than the corresponding hydrocarbons, because the reason is in the aldehydes and ketones there is a presence of polar character. Here the oxygen is more electronegative, therefore the oxygen will get the negative charge and carbon will get the positive charge. Due to this polar character or polar nature, the aldehydes will show an greater boiling point compared to the corresponding hydrocarbons. But the aldehydes and ketones will show less BP than the alcohol. Less BP than the alcohol, because in the alcohols there is an involvement of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Due to the intermolecular hydrogen bonding in the alcohols will have greater BP when compared to the and corresponding aldehydes and ketones. generally increase in the number of carbon atom or molecular mass, it will increase in the pp and mp. An increase in the number of carbon atom, that increases the surface area and increases the van der Waals force of attraction and ultimately increases the mp and pp. The increase, the next point is that is in the pp and mp is the next point. When increase in the branches, the pp and mp will be decreases. The third one is solubility. The lower aldehydes and ketones are soluble in water due to the formation of an hydrogen bond. Let us consider a carbonyl group. When the aldehydes and ketones dissolve in water, these are involved in the hydrogen bonding with the water. Therefore, the aldehydes and ketones are soluble in and waters. Increase in the number of, that is, the lower molecules are soluble in water. Increase in the number of carbon, higher members are less soluble. And increase in the number of carbon atoms in the aldehydes and ketones, the pp and mp will be decreases. Okay. This is about the solubility of and aldehydes and ketones. Third one, fourth point is an order. The lower aldehydes and ketones are sharp, pungent in order, that is irritable smell. It will show the pungent order. The higher member, when the higher member, the pungent order will be decreases and the fragrance order will be increases. Because of this, that is higher number of aldehydes and ketones, due to the fragrance nature, these are used in the number of perfumes. Okay, this is about the physical properties of an aldehydes and ketones and the special methods for the preparation of an ketones. The next class we will discuss and chemical properties for the aldehydes and ketones.